How to get an quote for an insurance service. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get an quote on insurance service on State Farm. So let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser and then you need to go to statefarm.com and then go to the three lines in the top left, and then there you'll be able to see get and quote. Just tap on it, and then you need to put in the product by tapping on the drop down. So whether you want quote for auto, motorcycle, homeowner, rent, small business, life, or more, just tap on it, put in your state, and then just tap on start a quote, and then they will give you an quote of the State Farm. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.